After you watch the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hi, welcome to the Quadrilla Construction Company. I'm Evan, and I will be taking you through how Quadrilla Marble Runs work, with the types of blocks, parts, track, and other interesting things about Quadrilla. If you want to build a Quadrilla Marble Run, these are the videos to go to.
Previously, we talked about the rare parts of the switch set and how they work together. Now, we will talk about the helixes found in sets like the Whirlpool set, the Galaxy set, and much more. There are 3 different sizes of helix: small, medium, and large. They all have the same purpose: let the marble spin around and around. This is the part where I might not have the correct information, so you gotta trust me on this part because I've been working hard on it. Each helix has a different amount of purple elements needed below the entrance point of the helix in order for the marbles to not skip parts of the helix. Small ones need 1 purple plate, medium ones need 2 purple plates, and large ones need 3 or 4 purple plates depending on what set you buy. If you have the older versions of sets from 2010 and older, your large vortex may need more purple plates than newer ones from at least 2012. I've made tiny marble runs, including one of the 3 sizes of helix each. As you can see, the version with the small helix I have needed 1 purple plate, the version with the medium helix I have needed 2, and the one with the large helix needed 4. I got the large helix from an older set, and the others from newer sets. Let's make a marble run with all 3 helixes. First of all, start out with 2 bases. Put a yellow block on one of them, and an orange block on another. Put a marble catcher right next to the yellow block. Next, put in 4 purple plates on top of the orange block, and put the large helix on top of the yellow block and the 4 purple plates. Put a blue block on top of the yellow block. Then put a yellow block on top of the 4 purple plates and put an accelerator right next to it. Put an orange block on top of the blue block and the medium helix on top of it and the yellow block, as shown here. Put a yellow block on top of the orange block on top of the blue block, and put an accelerator right next to it. And don't forget about the blue block that eventually leads to the yellow block in the large vortex. Put down 3 purple plates on top of the blue block, and put the small helix on top of those and the yellow block. And all you need to do is just put down the yellow block on top of the purple plates, and make sure you put an accelerator right next to the yellow block. Now it's time for testing out. Well, that's pretty much it for the Quadrilla construction video on the 3 different helixes found in Quadrilla Marble Runs. In the next episode, we will be talking about the melody blocks found in the Melody Basic set, Sound Blocks Extension set, etc. This is Evan signing out.